Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Halal Vibes, where we make understanding Islam simple and beautiful. Today, we're diving into the most recited surah in the Quran, Surah Al-Fatiha. Do you know what you're really saying every time you pray? Surah Al-Fatiha is the first chapter of the Quran. It's only 7 verses, but it carries a world of meaning. Muslims recite it in every unit of prayer, over 17 times a day. First, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. We begin everything with Allah's name. His mercy covers everyone, even those who disbelieve. Second, Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. All praise is due to Allah, Lord of all the worlds. Every blessing we have, it comes from Him, the Lord of all things seen and unseen. Third, Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. The most gracious, the most merciful. Again, Allah reminds us of His mercy because we always need it. Fourth, Maliki Yawmiddin. Master of the Day of Judgment. He is the King on the day we all return to Him. No one else will have power then. Fifth, Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. You alone we worship, and you alone we ask for help. This verse teaches us pure tawheed. Worship and help both belong only to Allah. Sixth, Ihdina as-Siratal Mustaqim. Guide us to the straight path. We ask Allah to guide our heart every single day, because we're always in need. Seventh, Siratal Ladhina An'amta Alayhim. The path of those you've blessed, not of those who earned your anger or went astray. We want the path of the prophets, not the lost or arrogant. As we know the power of this dua. Surah Al-Fatiha is more than just words. It's a heartfelt dua, a conversation with Allah. Next time you pray, take a moment to feel it, understand it, live it. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Halal Vibes for more easy and powerful Islamic reminders. Jazakum Allahu Khayran. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.